In today's video, I'll teach you how to add WhatsApp button on Instagram. So first of all, launch open Instagram application. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So in order to add the WhatsApp button to your Instagram profile, what you have to do is go to the profile interface. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. Make sure your account is professional. Now what you have to do is tap on this option edit profile that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options in this interface. Simply scroll down. Now under the section for profile information at third, you'll be able to find this option for contact options. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to add the contact options over here. Under the section for public information at third, you'll be able to find this option for WhatsApp business phone number. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to connect the WhatsApp business. You can see the phone number that is already logged into your WhatsApp account in this device. You can simply tap on it, or if you want to enter a different number, tap on this option enter a different number. After you do that, enter the WhatsApp number that you would like to add. Now after you do that, the code will be sent to your WhatsApp business number. What you have to do is simply enter the code in another interface. Due to some reason, I'm not being able to receive the code, but you'll be able to receive it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply follow through the prompts. After you do that, it will be added to your account. Now in your profile, you'll be able to see the WhatsApp button. So that is how you add WhatsApp button to your Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.